Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious jalapeno bagels. First, gather your ingredients. Combine 3 cups of bread flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, dissolve 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast in 1 cup of warm water. Now, mix the wet and dry ingredients. Then knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it is smooth and elastic. Let it rise for 1 hour. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and divide it into 8 equal pieces, each weighing approximately 3½ ounces. Roll each piece into a smooth ball, then flatten it slightly. Use your thumb to create a hole in the center of each dough ball. Carefully stretch the hole to about 1½ inches, ensuring the bagel maintains a consistent, even shape. Now bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Carefully drop your shaped bagels into the boiling water, 2 or 3 at a time, to avoid overcrowding. Boil each bagel for 1 minute on each side, then remove them with a slotted spoon. Immediately after boiling, top each bagel generously with sliced fresh jalapenos and shredded cheddar cheese. You can also add a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning for extra flavor. Finally, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the topped bagels on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them for 18 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once baked, transfer the bagels to a wire rack and let them cool for at least 15 minutes. Enjoy your homemade jalapeno bagels warm with cream cheese or your favorite spread.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.